Its yellow reinforced steel cabinet is built to protect people in the environment with a secure multi-point lock and master keys for peace of mind. Its bright finish makes hazardous storage instantly identifiable, while a built-in 10-litre leak-proof sump containing spills keeps your workplace safe and compliant. With a reinforced door, adjustable shelf and compact with capacious dimensions, it fits neatly into schools, labs and workshops. Compliant with HSE legislation and DCEA guidelines. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. In a world where safety isn't optional, our hazardous substance storage cabinet gives you total control. Built from heavy-duty steel with leak-proof design, it protects your team while keeping flammable liquid secure and compliant with HSG 51 and the DCEA 2002 standards. The adjustable shelves adapt to any workspace, from clinics to workshops, and reinforced doors guard against warping. For easy installation, an electric screwdriver helps lock the structure in place. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. In a world where safety comes first, the Faichi DHS diamond holder with latch blends robust metal construction with a powder-coated finish, keeping fire safety files secure and ready. Its unique hinge opening makes access swift, while the included identification label ensures you spot essential documents instantly in an emergency. Compact and wall-mountable, it fits neatly without crowding your space, quietly supporting safer workplace. 1863. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. In moments of crisis, confidence matters. The ISAP defibrillator storage cabinet keeps you prepared with a transparent window for instant visibility, a sturdy wall-mounted design for permanent, easy location, and universal suitability from hospitals to clinics and rescue vehicles. Its cavity handle ensures effortless, immediate access, while the unlocked design removes any delay when seconds count. You've got the purchase link in the description and pinned comment. Safely store flammable substances with this compact Kosh cupboard, ready to use straight from the box. Its 80mm deep removable sump tray and perforated shelves drain spills into a sealed, fully welded base, keeping hazards contained. Height adjustable shelves fit small bottles to larger cans, while robust 2-point locking system and bright yellow epoxy finish makes safety easy to spot and highly secure. You've got the purchase link in the description, the pinned comment. Meet the Horizon Industries Kosh cabinet, a robust, fireproof storage solution built from 90mm steel with a high visibility yellow finish for instant identification. It features a 2-point locker, spill trap sump, and a welded base, plus 3 adjustable shelves that each bear up to 100 kilograms. Kosh compliant and flame resistant, it comes with the GHS Kosh labels to keep hazards clearly marked. You've got the purchase link, description and the pinned comment.